Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to explain you how you can update Neovim to the latest version. So if you compiled Neovim yourself, navigate to your cloned repository and run this code. So git pull, then we have rm, rf and build. So here it will clear old build files. Then you have make, so make build type, and we do read, and then we have sudo make install, and just like that. Always check the Neovim breaking changes log before a major version update to ensure your configuration remains compatible. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next